Where are we going today, guys?
Water park!
Which water park?
Rapids Waterpark.
Guys, we're here! Are you excited, Robert? Are you excited? Look at the slide. Jacob, which one are you doing first? The Big Red? Let's go on the Big Red. Are you ready, Robert? It's our turn finally. Oh my God! Look, there is a raccoon. Let's go, Robert. It's our turn on the slide. And we even got to see a raccoon. You have to go up front. Let's go front. This is going to be so much fun, guys.
You ready? Alright guys, have fun.
Thank you. Whoa. Woo. Was it fun, Robert? Yes? Are you going to another one now? Yeah! Let's go. Let's go find Jacob. Find Jacob.
Castle slide.
Oh my God, how do you say castle in Italian?
Castello.
Let's go! Let's go to the castle slide! Look at the map. What do you want to do?
This one.
This one is super long, the yellow one. Let's go. Let's go do the yellow one and the small ones, guys. We have to get one, good call. I get three, one for each of us. See, you got your own? Here, pink and yellow. Giallo e rosa. We are in Florida and the sun is out. How do you say sun in Italian?
Sole.
Bravissimo. Okay, go. Who is gonna go here? Okay, Robert, go. Are you ready, Jacob? Are you ready, Robert? Who is gonna win this race? Papa, Robert, or Jacob? You started before me, Jacob, Robert. Whoa! Whoa! I don't see them. I don't see them anymore. Let's see if I can beat Jacob here. Do you guys think I'm gonna get down first? Do you think I'm gonna go and win this race? Or do you think that somebody else, either Robert or Jacob, are going to win? I don't know, I don't know. I really hope I'm going to win, but I cannot see them, so hard to tell. No! Jacob and Robert won! How did that happen? That's cheating. Do we want to go again? Oh, look, the ant. Picking up the food.
Look at fishes.
No, that one they're not there.
Oh my God, look at those ants. How do you say ant in Italian?
Pometa.
Are you supposed to drink soda? I do not think so. Where are we going now? Wave rider? Do you think you can ride the wave well? Are we going on the bridge first? And here is Robert. Whee! You had fun?
Yeah.
gonna come down first. Robert and Jacob right after. One on the green and one on the blue. Was that far, Robert? Yes? Are you ready for your second run?
No, it's my third one.
Your third run already?
Yeah. Look at that one.
Ah, because they used to try.
And then I'm gonna do 4 times.
That was amazing! You went amazing! Amazing! Amazing, Jacob. Now taking a break. What did you get?
Okay, guys.
Show us. Yum, yum. And what did you get, Robert?
Pineapple ice cream.
How do you say pineapple in Italian?
Banana.
And now Jacob is going through the purple slide for us. Whoa! It's so fast. How do you say fast in Italian?
Veloce.
Where are you going now? Again?